A capacitor of capacitance 1 microfarad withstands a maximum voltage of 6 kilowatt, while another capacitor of capacitance 2 microfarad the maximum voltage 4 kilowatt. If they are now connected in series, the combination can withstand with a maximum of. Now in this question they have provided the maximum capacity, that's 1 microfarad capacitor is here, which can withstand with 6 kilovolt maximum potential, and similarly another one is 2 microfarad which can actually withhold 4 kilowatt potential drop. Now if they add both the capacitor in series, so situation is like this. So 1 microfarad and 2 microfarad. So first of all, what will be the series combination equivalent resistance? This will be C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2, which will give you 1 into 2 divided by 1 plus 2, which will be 2 by 3 microfarad. Say the capacity of this capacitor 2 by 3 microfarad capacitor is let's say E volts, then I can say that charge will be 2 by 3 E C into V, right? So 2 by 3 into E, that will be the value of charge, which should be less than obviously the charge on the either of the potential either on these two capacitors. So here this should be less than Q initial, okay, because Q initial of 1 and Q initial of 2. So Q initial of 1 was 1 into 6, which was 6, and this was 2 into 4, which is 8. So obviously 6 is lesser than, so the combination of these two should be actually should be less than 6 only. So basically this is Q initial 1. So 2 by 3E is less than 6. If you solve it, you get E will be less than or equal to 9 only. So at maximum value should be, the maximum value will be 9 only, right? So which option is correct? So option number 4 is the correct answer. Combination can withstand a maximum of 9 kilovolt. Okay, so this is 9 kilovolt.